What's up, Locked-N-kennels? It's your boy Money, your girl Daisy, aka Big Mama. Get up there, potato. Potato. You feel me? We ain't doing nothing. We're chilling. Let me see this. Let me see this. So look at that coat. It's shining. That coat. I need a nice boy club, man. You slobbing, sneezing. You need to wipe your nose, man. See, her coat is beautiful, man. Shining, nice. Look at that coat. It is beautiful. She beautiful too. You feel me? She a beautiful dog. She a beautiful girl. Yeah, she is. You see how little she is. She like a little teacup. She like, let me see. She about half my arm height. Like, you feel me? She did that, by the way. But she was playing, scratching her nails. Ooh, with hops. She got good hop. I thought she was a pocket, but found out she's a micro. But in my head, she's still a pocket. Some people say micro. What y'all think? Like I said, pocket or micro? What y'all think? Big mama, big mama, big mama, big mama. Yeah. I don't know. It's all about big mama today, huh? Let me see. Let me see yourself. Turn around. Let me see. Let me see. Come on. Let me rub your stomach. Come on. I'm trying to show y'all something. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, tell a friend, come subscribe. You see how she ain't that big. The couch, look at the couch. The couch is bigger than her. She ain't that big. And this gonna be her little kennel over here, / welcome box. That she is getting bred 2026 in June. You feel me? I got 2 studs of mine. I don't know which one I really want. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. She's a beautiful girl, and the 2 studs of you, they beautiful. Don't get me wrong. But we'll see. We'll see. Y'all see. She look like she could ghost track too. I don't know. I know she a fawn for sure. But she look like a little ghost. Y'all see her face? Like she a ghost track. I know her mom was a Merle track. Her daddy is a chocolate. So she like she a sable fawn or ghost tribe fawn. I don't know what y'all think. What y'all think she is? But make sure y'all like, subscribe, tell a friend, come look her teeth. That's from. See, when I got her as a adult. She was about 1 year old. So her teeth like that, I can clean that up with her pups. You feel me? But she nice. She's nice. This is her teeth. You feel me? Other than that, she nice, but we ain't talking about that. She's still beautiful. We're ready to go. What? I'm gonna get 2 studs. I might drop one, I might not. I don't know. Depends. What you gotta tell her? Don't you? You don't think I had her since she's a puppy. You don't think I had her since she's a puppy. You don't think I have it. Oreo, watch out. Get down. It ain't about you. Watch out. Move. Move. Down, Oreo. It's not about you right now. It's not about you. When you talk about your breed, you the nuts video. But I'll show you one time. Bam, that ain't about you. It's all about bullets right now. We're talking all about bullets. All about bullets right now. Go get it. All about her right now. This is a good girl. Not about you, Oreo. Not about you, Oreo. Big mama right there. I know her puppy gonna be beautiful. I know her puppy gonna be beautiful, man. What, man, listen. I ain't gonna lie. I'm too stud. I wanna take her too.